What's up, my friend? Frank Calabro Jr. We're going to do a quick review video for Cash Now Funnel. We're going to do a withdrawal. We're going to do a withdrawal. You can see right here, it is August 3rd, Wednesday. August 3rd, Wednesday. Okay, what we're going to do is we just logged in. We have $11,175.75. We'll just call it $11,000. We'll just call it even, okay? Once you have some commissions in here, you can go ahead and set up your Paylution account, and it's pretty simple to do. You click on account and then e-wallet, and you set all this up. Okay, we're not going to cover that in this particular training. That's not what this is about. This is about just withdrawing it. Look how easy this is. Transfer now. We're going to click on this button right here. Once you start accumulating commissions, you can withdraw anytime you want, by the way. Literally anytime you want. So you can let your commissions build up. You can do whatever you want to do, okay? All right, it says this has been transferred to my Paylution account, okay? All right, so we're going to go over here, going to refresh. And instantaneously, look at that right there. It's already sitting there. How awesome is that, guys? Now, what can I do? There's a couple things. I can send to my prepaid Visa card, and you can transfer for free, and it's instantaneous. That's one option. What are the other options? The other options are I can send to my bank accounts. Okay, I got two different bank accounts in here. Okay, I've got Wells Fargo, and then I have another bank account that I can send to. So basically, I can send it wherever the heck I want. Okay, and when you send it, it says it takes like 1 to 3 days. Always send the max. So I'm going to do the max. And it usually says 1 to 3 days, but realistically, it's there like in a day normally. Normally, it's there like in a day. I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to hit confirm. Look at the fee, guys, $1. How many things on the internet where you can transfer money for $1? Please tell me, because I don't know anything that transfers money for $1. $1. And for the amount, too. It doesn't matter what the amount is. It's $1. I mean, this is just crazy, guys. Confirm. It's done. It says right here, it's going to go to my Wells Fargo account. 1 to 3 business days, it's going to be there. That's it, I'm done. I'm done, guys. It was that simple, guys, right? So here's the deal, Cash Now Funnel. We'll put a link in the description. You can start for $1, literally $1. You can start collecting $20 bills, $25 bills, $50 bills, $90 bills, $100 bills, $200, $400, and $1,000 bills. You can start literally for $1. Put your email in. Next thing you're going to see is this awesome video. You're going to get super excited. $1 today turns into a 6-figure business. I show you how it's done. Let me in. You got 3 simple steps. Step 1, fast start training. Okay. Enroll now for $1 or enroll now for $1 up here. Step number 2, system setup. Okay. And step number 3 is traffic. That's it. That's the whole step. That's the whole thing. 1, 2, 3. Step 1, step 2, that's the whole thing, guys. Cash Now Funnel. So there you go. There's our $11,000 withdrawal proof video. Cash Now Funnel. This is just the early days. We've been doing this just a couple of weeks now. Just a couple of weeks, and this thing is awesome, guys. All right, that concludes this video. Frank Calabro Jr. signing off.